Welcome to navigating the down market maze. Selling a home can be challenging, especially in a down market. Inventory is up, buyers are scarce, and prices may be falling. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, but don't worry. With the right strategies, you can still sell your home quickly and for the best possible price. This guide provides proven tactics to navigate a challenging market. We'll cover everything from pricing and presentation to marketing and negotiation, giving you the tools to succeed. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the dynamics of a down market and implementing effective strategies, you can overcome the challenges and achieve your selling goals. So let's dive in and equip you with the knowledge and confidence to sell your home like a pro. Get ready to unlock the secrets to selling success, even when the market seems to be working against you. Your journey to selling your home in a down market starts now. Let's transform this daunting task into a manageable and ultimately successful endeavor. Get ready to turn the tables and make your home stand out in a crowded market. Welcome to strategic pricing, the cornerstone of success. Pricing your home correctly from the start is crucial in a down market. Buyers have more options and are more likely to compare prices. Overpricing your home can lead to it sitting on the market for months, accumulating price reductions and deterring potential buyers. To determine the right price, research recent sales of comparable homes in your area. Consider factors like square footage, location, amenities, and condition. Consult with a real estate agent to get their expert opinion on market value. They have access to data and insights that can help you make informed decisions. Remember, the goal is to attract buyers, not scare them away. Setting a realistic and competitive price will generate more interest and increase your chances of a quick sale. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment when setting the asking price. Be objective, listen to the advice of your real estate agent, and be willing to adjust your expectations based on market conditions. Welcome to Enhancing Curb Appeal. First impressions matter. In a competitive market, first impressions are paramount. Your home's curb appeal is the first thing potential buyers see, both online and in person. A well-maintained exterior creates a positive impression and entices buyers to want to see more. Start by cleaning up your yard. Mow the lawn, trim bushes, and remove any clutter or debris. Add a fresh layer of mulch to flower beds, and consider planting colorful flowers for a pop of visual interest. Next, focus on your home's exterior. Power wash siding, walkways, and decks to remove dirt and grime. Repaint or touch up any areas that look faded or worn. A little effort goes a long way in enhancing your home's curb appeal. Don't underestimate the power of a welcoming and well-maintained exterior. It can make all the difference in attracting buyers and setting the stage for a successful sale. Remember, you only get one chance to make a first impression, so make it count. Welcome to the art of home staging, setting the stage for a sale. Once you've captured buyers' attention with great curb appeal, it's time to wow them inside with effective home staging. Staging helps buyers envision themselves living in your space. Start by decluttering and depersonalizing. Remove personal items, excess furniture, and any clutter that makes the space feel smaller. Next, focus on creating a neutral and inviting atmosphere. Paint walls in neutral colors like beige, gray, or white. This allows buyers to visualize their own style and furniture in the space. Arrange furniture to maximize space and flow. Make sure rooms are well lit with natural light and lamps. Finally, add touches of warmth and personality with accessories. Think throw pillows, blankets, and artwork. A well-staged home feels inviting and allows buyers to connect with the space on an emotional level. Remember, you're selling a lifestyle, not just a house. Staging helps you showcase your home's best features and create an emotional connection with potential buyers. In a down market, it's more important than ever to market your home effectively and reach the right buyers. Utilize a multifaceted marketing approach that includes both online and offline strategies. Professional photography is a must. High-quality photos showcase your home's best features and attract buyers online. Consider a virtual tour to provide an immersive experience for potential buyers. Craft a compelling property description that highlights your home's unique selling points and appeals to buyer emotions. Utilize social media platforms to share your listing and reach a wider audience. Don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth marketing. Share your listing with friends, family, and neighbors. Host open houses to allow potential buyers to experience your home firsthand. By implementing a comprehensive marketing plan, you'll increase your home's visibility, generate more leads, and ultimately attract the right buyers. Section 6. The power of negotiation, striking a win-win deal. Negotiation is a critical aspect of selling your home, especially in a down market. Be prepared to negotiate with potential buyers, but always aim for a win-win situation. Understand your bottom line and be willing to compromise, but don't undervalue your property. Respond to offers promptly and professionally, even if they're below your asking price. Consider counteroffers carefully, weighing the potential benefits against your overall goals. Be willing to negotiate on closing costs or other concessions to sweeten the deal for the buyer. Remember, a successful negotiation is one where both parties feel satisfied with the outcome. Maintain a positive attitude throughout the process and be open to finding creative solutions that work for everyone involved. By approaching negotiations with a collaborative mindset, you can increase your chances of reaching a mutually beneficial agreement. Section 7. Embracing technology, virtual tours and online tools. In today's digital age, technology plays a crucial role in real estate. Embrace online tools and virtual tours to showcase your home to a wider audience. Virtual tours allow potential buyers to experience your home from the comfort of their own devices. They can virtually walk through rooms, zoom in on details, and get a feel for the layout and flow. Online listing platforms provide a wealth of information to potential buyers, including photos, virtual tours, property details, and neighborhood data. Utilize social media platforms to share your listing and engage with potential buyers. Consider using online marketing tools to target specific demographics and locations. By embracing technology, you can expand your reach, generate more leads, and streamline the selling process. Virtual tours and online tools provide convenience and accessibility for both buyers and sellers, making it easier than ever to connect and navigate the real estate market. Section 8. Patience and persistence, keys to success. Selling a home in a down market can be a test of patience and persistence. It's essential to stay positive and persistent throughout the process. Remember that selling your home takes time, especially in a challenging market. Don't get discouraged if you don't receive offers immediately. Continue to market your home effectively, adjust your strategies as needed, and remain open to feedback from your real estate agent. Stay informed about market trends and be prepared to adjust your expectations accordingly. Maintain open communication with your real estate agent and seek their guidance throughout the journey. Remember, selling your home is a marathon, not a sprint. By approaching the process with patience, persistence, and a positive attitude, you'll increase your chances of success. Section 9. Conclusion. Your roadmap to selling in a down market. Selling your home in a down market may seem daunting, but with the right strategies, you can navigate the challenges and achieve your goals. Remember to price your home strategically, enhance its curb appeal, stage it effectively, and market it wisely. Embrace technology to expand your reach and streamline the process. Negotiate with potential buyers to strike a win-win deal, and most importantly, remain patient and persistent throughout the journey. By following these proven strategies, you'll be well equipped to sell your home in a down market. Remember, knowledge is power, and with the right tools and mindset, you can turn a challenging market into an opportunity for success. Now that you have the roadmap to selling your home in a down market, it's time to put your knowledge into action. Embrace the challenges, stay positive, and remember that with the right approach, you can achieve your selling goals and move on to the next chapter of your life.